This video will help you understand the present continuous tense. Here is an explanation of the present continuous tense with suitable examples. Here is the syntax for the present simple tense. Subject plus am is are plus present participle. Verb plus ing. Usage. We use the present continuous tense to talk about actions or situations happening at the present moment. It emphasizes that the action is in progress and is temporary. It is often used to describe current actions, future plans, or trends. Current action. I am studying for my exams. Describes what the speaker is doing right now. They are watching a movie. Describes an ongoing action in the present. Future plans. She is meeting her friend tomorrow. Describes a scheduled action in the future. We are going on vacation next month. Describes a future arrangement. Trends and changes. Prices are increasing every day. Describes a general trend. The weather is getting colder. Describes a change happening gradually. Annoyance or temporary situation. He is always interrupting me. Expresses annoyance about repeated actions. I'm staying with my parents until I find a new apartment. Describes a temporary situation. Negative form. Subject plus am not, is not, are not, plus present participle. She isn't working today. Describes the absence of an action. They aren't playing soccer at the moment. Describes the absence of an ongoing action. Question form. Am, is, are, plus subject, plus present participle. Are you listening to me? Asks about the ongoing action. Is she coming to the party? Asks about a future plan. Remember that the present continuous tense is used for actions or situations happening at the present moment or in the near future. It is important to use the appropriate form of the auxiliary verb, am, is, are, followed by the present participle of the main verb, verb plus ing. Here are some additional examples of sentences in the present continuous tense. Current action. She is reading a book right now. They are playing basketball in the park. The dog is barking loudly. Future plans. We are going to a concert tonight. He is traveling to Paris next week. They are having a party on Saturday. Trends and changes. The population is increasing rapidly. Prices are rising due to high demand. The company is expanding its operations. Annoyance or temporary situation. My neighbor is always playing loud music. I'm just temporarily staying with my friend until I find a new apartment. He is constantly complaining about his job. Negative form. The children aren't watching TV right now. She isn't wearing a jacket despite the cold weather. They aren't working on the project anymore. Question form. Are you using the computer at the moment? Is he coming to the meeting tomorrow? Are they planning a trip during the summer? Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And give your valuable comments in the comment box.